Do you have problems logging into your MySQL? Maybe you've forgotten your password and you're now wondering how to reset it. This video is going to show you how you can reset your MySQL password. So if I enter MySQL username and I put root and I try specifying my password, now I can't remember my password because I forgot it. So how do we reset this password? So what I want us to do is I want us to sudo. So we're going to stop MySQL. So get sudo systemctl stop MySQL, right? SQL. Enter your server's password. Now we've stopped our MySQL. All right, we want to stop it before we do anything. So next up, what we're going to do is we're going to create a directory. So just put sudo make directory, and this directory we want to create it inside var run MySQL d. All right, so this is the folder we want to create. All right, now we've created that folder. Let's change the ownership of this folder to sudo, and we're changing the owner to, so change owner to MySQL SQL, and we enter the same path, which is this, right? So enter it there, run MySQL d, hit enter. We've changed the ownership. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to switch MySQL to a safe mode. All right, so the way we do that is I'll have that code or that command in the description of this video. All right, just copy it. So let's copy the code and paste it here. Now this code is going to skip grant tables. All right, it's going to switch MySQL to a safe mode. Hit enter. After that, when you see this, hit enter again. So now we're in a safe mode. This will allow us log into MySQL without a password. So how do we do that? Just type MySQL. All right, MySQL, hit enter, and we are logged into MySQL without a password. Okay, so now that we are here, we want to now reset our password. So again, I have that code in the description. Just copy it and paste. Now let's paste the code. We've pasted our code. So we're going to change our root user's password to a new password. The only thing you have to change here is just come here and remove the new password here and change it to your own password. So I'll put something like this as my new password. Now hit enter. Now when you see this error, the MySQL server is running with the skip grant tables options, so it can't execute this statement. Just flash your privileges. So what we have to do is just do flash privileges. All right, so after we flash our privileges, we can now rerun our password reset command. So just enter it there, hit enter, and your password is now reset to this. Okay, from there, so after you change the password, we have to flash MySQL again. So flash privileges like this, and we're now going to so after that, just exit it. All right, so exit. After you exit, we're going to now kill. All right, so we want to now come out of the safe mode, so let's just kill it. Let's terminate it. After we terminate, see this ended, so we are now out of the safe mode. That was the insecure mode of MySQL. Hit enter. Now you see we are done. We are now out of it. All right, so from here, just clear your screen, and next what we want to do is we want to put sudo systemctl systemctl restart. You can also say start, okay, because from the beginning we stopped MySQL, so now we're going to start it. So let's put start MySQL, hit enter, and the same thing, sudo systemctl. Now we're going to enable it on system boot. So what do we do? Just put enable, hit again, now let's try logging into MySQL. So MySQL user is root and password. Now let's enter our password. Remember that password we created, the new password. So I'll now enter my password. Okay, so and we are logged in successfully to MySQL. Okay, so you cannot do whatever you want to do. Show databases, and that's it. So thank you for watching this video. Hoping to see you in my next episode, where I will show you how to install WordPress on your virtual private server. Bye bye.